how to make Trader Joe's Limone Alfredo pasta sauce. How to make Trader Joe's Limone Alfredo sauce pasta, or how to make Trader Joe's lemon Alfredo sauce pasta. So the first thing we're gonna use is, of course, Trader Joe's Limone Alfredo pasta sauce. Since this is Alfredo sauce, we're gonna use fettuccine as our pasta. We're gonna top it with some grated parm, and then we're gonna finish it off with pepper. Real quick and simple recipe, nothing to it. Let's go do it. Alright guys, here it is, Trader Joe's lemon pasta. Alright guys, so we finally got done with the Trader Joe's pasta limone. It was not as easy as advertised. This was a lot harder to make. Here's the first bite. Okay. This is really, really, really heavy Alfredo sauce. You'll see, as you could see, as I showed you in the video when I was making the sauce, it was constantly mixing, or it was gonna burn. It was constant. It was so thick, I had to mix it. You can't stop mixing this sauce, or it's gonna burn on you. And I was on the lowest heat. I was just simmering it. You can't walk away from this sauce for 1 second. You have to stand there and you have to work on it the entire time. Let me take another bite. I mean, it's so thick. I mean, look at it. It's just. So this is advertised as the lemon sauce. And I can taste just a little hint of lemon in this Alfredo sauce. I would say it's really, really, really low, like 5% of the lemon taste in there. Maybe 10%. It's very, very, very small, and it's not. If you're looking for a wow lemon taste in this Alfredo sauce, it's not going to happen. It's just a little background taste. Mostly it's just heavy, heavy, heavy Alfredo sauce. There it is. How do I rate this sauce? You guys know I love Trader Joe's stuff. they're usually 4 or 5 out of 5. This is 3.75 out of 5. It's a little too thick for my personal liking. It was not easy to make. You have to stand there and work on it the entire time. It's not as lemony as I was led to believe. As far as the Alfredo sauces go, it's a good Alfredo sauce. Not the best Alfredo sauce I ever had, but it's a pretty good Alfredo sauce. So 3.75 out of 5. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.